Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Welcome to the today's math class. In the previous class, we discussed terms and definitions of about lines and angles. Okay, we discussed the point, line segment, ray. Okay, angle, vertex, arms, and as well as adjacent angles. Okay, linear pair, right? Vertically opposite angles. Now we discuss the theorem number 6.1 also. That is, if two lines are intersecting each other at one point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. What is that here? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Already we learned in previous classes also. Right? Now, based on that we discuss one theorem also. Today we will discuss some problems on lines and angles. Okay, now example 1 we are going to discuss that. Lines PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. See, PQ RS are intersecting at a point O here, and they given if angle POR is to angle ROQ is equal to 5:7. Find all the angles. Here it is. This is a sum of these two. Children, the ratio of these two angles is 5:7. Okay. This POR ROQ. The ratio of angle POR and ROQ is 5:7. Find all the angles. Clear? So instead of finding all the angles, it is enough to find out the angle POR and as well as angle ROQ individually. Because if you find angle POR, which is equal to angle SOQ, because vertically opposite angles are equal here. Is it clear? In the same way, to find ROQ, which is equal to POS. Right, children? So they given only ratio. Right? Now solution. Given that angle POR is to angle ROQ is equal to 5:7. Right? Now observe here, angle POR and ROQ are linear pair or not? Because these two angles are formed on the same line. These two are adjacent angles and forming on the same line. Therefore, these two are linear pair. So, sum of these two angles will become 180 degrees. Okay, right. Now, so here it is a ratio. Now, remove this ratio. To remove this ratio, okay, let us take angle POR is equal to 5x. When you remove the ratio, you need to take one constant value, one variable. Okay, comma, angle ROQ will become 7x. It is 7x. Okay, clear, children? Now, angle POR and angle ROQ are linear pairs. So therefore, angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair axiom. Linear pair. Sum of two angles must be 180 degrees. If these two angles are lying on the same line, see this here. PQ is a line. So angle POR and the left angle ROQ is on the same line. So therefore, you can say sum of these two equal to 180 degrees. But the given angle POR is 5x degrees. Okay, ROQ is 7x degrees. Substitute these two values in the place of here. So 5x degrees plus 7x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 5x plus 7x is 12x. So 12x is equal to 180 degrees. We need to find out the value of x here. Okay, now therefore here x degree is equal to, by transposing 12 to right hand side, it will become 180 degrees by 12. By cancellation, 12 ones are 12 15s. So therefore x degrees is equal to, we got 15. We got only x degree. We got only x value. This x value we need to substitute in the place of x angle POR and angle ROQ. Okay children? Now see. So therefore here angle POR is equal to what is it here? 5x. So which is implies 5 into 12 degrees, sorry 15 degrees. 15. So 5 into 15 is 75 degrees. Clear? Right? 75 degrees. So therefore angle POR equal to 75 degrees. The same way you can find out which is equal to POR is equal to SOQ. Okay, both are vertically opposite angles. The same way angle ROQ is equal to 7x. Nothing but 7 into 15. How much value? 105. Okay, 105 degrees. Clear? So which is nothing but which is equal to angle POS also. Is this clear children? So we got all angles, right? Angle POR is equal to 75 degrees which is equal to SOQ. Angle ROQ is equal to 105 degrees which is equal to POS. This is 105 degrees we got. This is 75 degrees. Some of these will become 180 again. Okay, even this is also 75 degrees. This is 105 degrees. Is this clear children? Let's copy this. Right children, let us discuss example 2. Children, this is a geometry part. Each and every example is important, and as well as for each and every problem, you please try to draw the diagram. If you draw the diagram, it is very easy to understand. Okay, now try to understand the question. Okay, there are some words we will use in mathematical language. Okay, that is bisectors, right? Different terminology. Yesterday also we discussed some. If you thorough in that, you can able to understand very easily. Now try to understand this question. Example 2. Ray OS stands on a line POQ. So POQ is a straight line. OS is a ray standing on the line POQ. Ray OR and ray OT. There are two rays are there, OR and OT. Are angle bisectors. What is the meaning of angle bisectors? Angle bisector means it divides, the ray divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay, suppose this entire angle is 120 degrees. Think that POS is equal to 120. Think that, let us take. So OR is bisector. Bisector means angle POR is equal to ROS. These two angles are equal. That's why we give the symbols separated. Okay, two lines. Two lines means these two are equal. One line. These two are equal. Okay. So total angle is 120 degrees. Then this will become 60. This also will become 60. Clear? Angle bisectors nothing but it divides the angle into two equal parts. Is this clear, children? Now, of angle POS and SOQ respectively. If angle POS equal to x degrees, find angle ROT. They given only angle POS is total angle equal to x degrees. We need to find out ROT. These two angles we need to find out. Clear? Right? So now come to the point. Solution. So given that OR and OT are the angle bisectors. Angle bisectors of POS and angle SOQ. So, if these two are bisectors, therefore, we can say that. So here POS and also given that and also given angle POS equal to x degrees. Okay, so this total angle POS is total angle equal to x degrees. Clear? So now, which is implies, see children, POS is nothing but sum of these two angles, POR plus ROS. Okay, so POR plus ROS is equal to x degrees. But I said OR is the bisector of POS. So here, which is implies angle POR plus angle POR, which is equal to x degrees. Since angle ROS is equal to angle POR. Clear? Both are equal. So 2 times of angle POR is equal to x degrees, which is implies angle POR is equal to x degrees by 2, which is equal to angle ROS also. Both are equal. Keep it as equation number 1. In the same way, similarly we can say that. So here now see this here, POS and SOQ. This angle and this angle are linear pair because lying on the same straight line. Now angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. Now POS divided by x degrees. So x degrees plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, then angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees minus x degrees. Okay, now SOQ we got as 180 degrees minus x degrees. Clear? So now, so this is equation number 2. We can keep it as. We need to find out ROS and SOT. Clear? So we got ROS is how much here? X by 2. Okay, we got ROS is x by 2. Now SOQ we got 180 minus x. SOQ. Okay, now what is the value of SOT? See children, OT is the bisector of angle SOQ. Bisector means these two are equal. Okay, so now in the place of SOQ, I am going to write SOT plus TOQ is equal to 180 degrees minus x. Okay, SOT equal to TOQ. Both are equal. So here angle SOT plus angle SOT is equal to 180 minus x degrees. Since angle SOT is equal to angle TOQ, both are equal because it is a bisector. Now 2 times of angle SOT is equal to 180 degrees minus x degree. So angle SOT is equal to, by transposing 2 to right hand side, it will become division. So 180 by 2 minus x degrees by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 90. Okay, so therefore we got angle SOT is equal to 90 degrees minus x by 2. 90 degrees minus x by 2. Clear? This is equation number 3. Right? So find the ROT. ROT means sum of these two. Okay, we got ROS and SOT. By adding those two, we get the answer. Right? Copy this. Now, children, see equation number 1, we got ROS which is equal to x degrees by 2, and we got equation number 3, SOT is equal to 90 degrees minus x by 2. Okay? Now, add equation number 1 and 3. By adding equation number 1 and 3, what is equation number 1 here? Angle ROS plus angle SOT, left hand side, which is equal to ROS is x by 2 plus SOT, how much here? 90 degrees minus x degrees by 2. Okay? Plus x degrees by 2 minus x degrees by 2. Both will be cancelled. and ROS plus SOT is nothing but angle ROT. This is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore here angle ROT is equal to 90 degrees. Is this clear? Copy this. Right children. Now let us discuss exercise 6.1, question number 1. So now what is the question here? Lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees and angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Find angle BOE and reflex of COE. Children, this is the diagram. Angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Angle BOD is 40 degrees here. Okay, they are asking that angle BOE. What is this angle? Only particular angle of BOE, and as well as reflex means this is angle COE. Reflex of angle COE. This total angle they are asking. Clear? They are asking this total angle. Okay. In this total angle, we will be having COA, AOD, DOB, BOE. These many are there. Okay. Suppose if you know angle COE, this angle, it is nothing but the total angle, the complete angle minus COE, it gives that reflex angle of COE. Right? So now, whatever the given angles that we are going to write down. Now, given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. And also given that angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Now children, listen carefully. So here angle BOD plus AOD. BOD, observe the diagram. Observe the diagram. Angle BOD plus AOD is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. Is it clear? Right? So this is see BOD and AOD. Already the given angle BOD is 40 degrees. Clear? So now angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. Since linear pair, it is a linear pair of angles. Okay, linear pair means this here. AOD, BOD. These two angles are lying on the same straight line. It is divided by only one ray OD. Okay, it is a common ray, right? So here this angle plus this angle, this total angle is equal to 180 degrees. Clear? But already they given BOD is 40 degrees, substitute here. So angle AOD plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now just transpose this value to right hand side. You will get angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees minus 40, which is equal to, that is angle AOD is equal to 40 degrees we got. Sorry, 140 degrees we got. That is 180 minus 40 is 140 degrees. So we got this is 140. Okay, right? Now we just observe, close this OE part. If I close OE part, angle AOD, angle BOC is totally 140 degrees. Both are vertically opposite angles. Okay, AOD, BOC. Okay, sorry children. Angle AOD and right, AOD and BOC, correct only. Right children, AOD, BOC, here I will write. This is AB AOD and BOC are equal, both are vertically opposite angles, and as well as BOD is equal to AOC also. Is this clear? So now, okay, so now therefore here angle AOD is equal to, so therefore here angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, which is equal to 140 degrees, since vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. Okay, so now we got total, this is also, this total is 140 degrees. Now, and as well as here, if you observe, angle BOD is equal to angle AOC, BOD is equal to AOC also. Therefore, angle BOD, which is equal to angle AOC, that is same vertically opposite angles. Okay, so therefore here already they given angle BOD is 40 degrees. So angle AOC is equal to 40 degrees, but AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degrees. Therefore, we can say that angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, which is nothing but 30 degrees. Children, so we got here, this is 140, this is 40, this is 30, this is also 40. Okay, so we got angle BOE. Therefore, angle BOE is equal to 30 degrees. Clear? Because these two are vertically opposite angles are equal. Right? Now reflex of angle COE is equal to, COE is, see this here, C from here onwards, COE is total. Okay, that is angle AOC plus angle AOD plus angle BOD plus BOE. By adding all these angles, you will get the reflex of angle. Okay, now that is which is equal to angle AOC plus angle AOD plus angle BOD plus angle BOE. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, which is equal to 40 degrees plus 140 degrees plus again 40 plus 30 degrees, which is equal to 140 plus 30 is 170, 170 plus 80, 170 plus 80 is 250 degrees. 180 plus 220 plus 30, 250 degrees. So therefore here this is reflex of angle COE. Reflex angle of COE, which is nothing but 250 degrees. Is this clear, children? So by using linear pair of axiom and vertically opposite angles, by using these two axioms, and as well as this is a theorem. Okay, this is axiom, this is theorem. By using this axiom and theorem, we proved this problem. Please copy this. Right, children. I think you have understood that today's problems, whatever we discussed two examples and one problem from the exercise 6.1. Okay, and here is the homework from exercise 6.1, complete question number 3. Okay, there is a page number 97. Okay, so complete this homework in your classwork. I hope you understood that today's class. Thank you, children. Have a great day.